Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in a resourceful feeling of calm and relaxation. And as you exhale, just feel a wonderful feeling that tension is leaving your body. Breathing in that resourceful feeling of calm and relaxation. And just feel any pain, any tension, any stress gradually but consistently leaving your body as you breathe out. And breathe in even deeper than you normally would. As you fill your lungs, feel a wonderful feeling of resourcefulness going in. And release whatever needs to be released. As you start to feel your brainwave shifting from alpha to beta, maybe all the way down slowly to theta. And I wonder how it would feel to start moving towards that vacation state of mind. Just imagine keeping your physical body there and floating upwards. Perhaps allowing your imagination to do a trip of reconnaissance, to explore your vacation before you even arrive. And imagine floating up outside the room, up into the clouds, flying over countryside, over roads, over hills and mountains. And on the way to a particular stream close to mountains, I wonder if you could imagine that your mind is like a garden. And perhaps this vacation is the rain that nourishes it. With each day, the seeds of relaxation and joy are watered, allowing them to grow stronger, while the weeds, particularly of pain, wither away, leaving only the vibrant flowers of positivity and peace. As you continue to float and fly towards that stream near the mountains, imagine your body as a finely tuned instrument and choose a particular instrument to think of. And maybe this vacation is the master musician, that each moment you spend outdoors, every breath you take, gently tunes your strings to perfect harmony. So you resonate with strength, vitality, and the energy of adventure, just like a song that vibrates at the highest frequency. And maybe up ahead you can see that mountain range and the stream nearby. But before you touch down close to that stream, notice a very large tree. And I want you to think of yourself as a mighty tree rooted in the earth. And maybe this vacation, this adventure, is the sunlight that helps you stretch taller, grow stronger, and branch out. That every new experience you embrace expands your reach, grounding you deeper into your true self, while reaching toward the limitless possibilities of the sky. And imagine touching down where a large oak tree is close to a stream, and beyond the stream is a majestic mountain range. And just feel like you're barefoot on the ground near the tree, close to the stream, and feel an incredible feeling, a hybrid of mindfulness and being fully grounded simultaneously. And I wonder if you can find a whole new level of relaxation in this place. As you imagine finding a position, standing, seated, or lying on the ground, that enables you to feel the highest levels of comfort and relaxation, and breathe in slower and deeper than you normally would. And every breath you take on this vacation recharges your mind and body, allowing you to feel more relaxed and refreshed with each moment. As you step into the holiday, you naturally let go of stress, giving permission to feel fully present and alive in the here and now. Feel that your body's natural thermostat for pain resets, and you feel more comfortable and at ease than you have for a very long time. That in this place, you are creating powerful new neural pathways for relaxation, which will continue to grow stronger every day. I want you to imagine pain being like dirt on your skin. And just imagine wading into the cool, rejuvenating stream. And as you imagine the dirt being washed away by the current of the stream, feel that it's taking away any unnecessary pain, that the freshness of the stream is reducing inflammation and revitalizing the cells that need revitalizing. Feel that the pathways for pain are dialed all the way down, making space for comfort and healing to flow freely. I want you to get a sense that with every moment you spend outdoors, you reconnect with your identity as a naturalist, embracing the infinite beauty of the world around you. That in this place, you tap into the vibrant energy of nature, drawing strength and vitality from it. And I want you to imagine seeing people that you admire, either for their ability to understand and appreciate the incredible value of nature, or see the people that exude confidence, energy, and enthusiasm, and feel that you are in nature, sharing the experience with these people, perhaps from the past and maybe the present. As you explore new surroundings, feel a wonderful sense of adventure, expanding your comfort zone with joy and excitement. That each and every step you take beyond your normal boundaries brings you a sense of accomplishment, proving that you can thrive in new experiences. And whenever you walk anywhere, notice how you feel deeply grounded, yet open to all the wonderful possibilities that this vacation and your future hold. I want you to feel that this vacation is a line in the sand, a fresh start, a new chapter. That this vacation is a chance to revitalize your energy and to recalibrate any sensations of pain, allowing you to feel stronger, healthier, and more alive. With every sunrise, you feel a new surge of positivity and optimism for the days ahead. And with each sunset, feel a surge of gratitude. And when the sun sets fully, notice 1 billion stars in the clear sky. Feel that you are the stars and the stars are you. That each star is a new possibility, a thought, an idea. Feel that you are the universe and the universe is you. Because your mind naturally focuses on the beauty of the present, allowing you to be mindful and aware in each moment. And every moment of positivity and energy is feeding that hero that exists within you, leading you to feel even more confident and empowered. As you explore new places, imagine feeling a wonderful sense of fulfillment and excitement. That as your body recalibrates, more and more you notice yourself vibrating on the most positive frequency possible, attracting even more joy and happiness into your life. Adventure is not easy, not predictable, and not always safe. But feel that you can embrace the adventure of stepping into the unknown, feeling energized and enthusiastic about what's to come. And I wonder what would happen if you perceived that every part of this vacation is a source of renewal, giving you a new lease on life and a sense of fresh beginnings. as you feel that you carry with you the wisdom and energy of people known for their passion and enthusiasm, fueling your own excitement for life. That the time you spend in nature reinforces your connection to the outdoors, helping you feel more grounded and in tune with the earth. Feel that you have a gift to harness the power of the present moment to reset your mind and body, creating a lasting sense of well-being. And think about the things you could do on this vacation. And each thing you do activates neural pathways for relaxation and mindfulness, and dials down the neural pathways for pain. As you feel excited for the new chapter of your life, seeing this vacation as something more than a vacation, perhaps a portal, a doorway, or a stepping stone toward even greater things. Perhaps you can imagine the final day or the final hours of your vacation and feel a sense of accomplishment, of renewal, of revitalization, so that when you do leave this vacation, you feel happy, fulfilled, revitalized, and carrying the positive energy and experiences into your incredible future. And then return to that tree by that stream, looking out over the mountains, and start to float upwards as it's time to return to the present moment, feeling like you've primed your mind so that each experience on your vacation is a powerful post-hypnotic suggestion to activate the very suggestions in this hypnosis. So float upwards and feel yourself returning to the present moment as you take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Just wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes as I now count from 1 to 10 to awaken you. Starting to count. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8. Open your eyes, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.